In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Instagram followers and following by making your account private on Android and iOS. While Instagram doesn't let you completely hide these lists on a public profile, switching to a private account gives you real control over who can see them, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. This takes you to your personal space where all settings can be accessed. Next, look to the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From here, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where Instagram keeps all the tools that affect your account visibility and interactions. Inside Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy. You'll see options that manage who can interact with you and what they can see. Find the private account option and toggle it on. Instagram may show a confirmation message explaining what changes when you go private. Confirm that change and you're done. Once your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your posts, stories, and importantly, your followers and following lists. Anyone who isn't approved won't be able to view the accounts you follow or who follows you. They can still find your profile and request to follow you, but they won't see your lists until you accept. If there are specific people you don't want viewing your lists, you have a few built-in tools. You can remove a follower directly from your followers list without notifying them. If you need a stronger boundary, you can block someone, which completely stops them from seeing your profile. For a lighter touch, consider using Restrict. Restricting limits how someone can interact with you and quietly changes how they see your activity without fully blocking them. To recap, making your Instagram account private is the primary and most effective way to hide your followers and following lists from anyone who isn't approved. Instagram does not currently offer a way to hide these lists while keeping your account public. The steps are the same on both Android and iOS, and you can switch back to public anytime, though doing so will make those lists visible again to everyone. That's all you need to do. If this tutorial helped you take control of your privacy, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear practical Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.